What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Happy 4th of July. And today we're doing a cool, fun song by Elvis. Devil in Disguise. Okay, so if you want to play along with the record when Elvis sings, play the same chords but put a capo on first fret, okay? Okay, I'm doing this so we have nice open chords. We got E major. We got A major. And we got a B7. E major, 1, 2, 3. A major. Second fret, second fret, second fret. B7. 2, 1, 2, starting on A. Strumming. So strum, and then we're gonna glide over all the strings, and then up, play this song on acoustic and sing it, I like to put in this bass line, which sounds pretty cool. So that's 4-2 on the A string. So strum, 4-2. That somewhere in the song. And on the A, we just play A. Oh, the devil in this game. Okay, next part, when they go faster, it's E major to C sharp minor. Sorry, beginners, it's always something, right? C sharp minor is 4th fret on the A string. 4, 6, 6, 5. Okay, so we got E. And B, same chords to E, and then end on B. It's only 2 parts. Let's go with the strumming for the fast part. Down, 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 down. You fool me like an angel, walking like an angel, talking like an angel, without God. Yo, the devil in the sky. Cool. So that's the only two parts. E, A, B, E. That's the verse. Yeah, and then we got the chorus. E, C sharp, E, C sharp, and then you stay longer on the. You fooled me with your kisses. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right, folks. Have a good weekend. Or 4th of July. See you tomorrow. Be safe, please. All right. Take it easy.